Hey guys, it's finally here, one of our most requested videos. Niman, Form 6, the Way of the Rancor, the Moderation Form, or the Diplomat's Form.
So you want to become powerful quick, with minimal effort.
Well, I'd actually suggest, if you haven't seen it, make sure to check out our basics video so you're familiar with the number system we use to teach choreography and the styles. I'll have the link in the description below. As of now, we have Forms 1 through 5 out, and I hope you've mastered everything in those tutorials before venturing on to this one. I'll put the playlist in the description below. If you're new to the channel, we reenact fights, make fan films, and tutorials. So for more content like this, make sure to like and subscribe. Now, assuming you've mastered Forms 1 through 5, let's get started with the stances. This form has no specific strengths or weaknesses and is very dependent on the user's creativity to do well in battle. It incorporates techniques and fighting styles of the other forms in combination with force abilities. It's called the Diplomat's form because it needs less practice than the other forms to maintain, allowing the user to focus more on diplomacy and force meditation. One of the techniques known as the pushing slash technique, not always meant to be fatal. In this technique, you would score a hit on your opponent and then push them away with the force. Of course, you would need to get your opponent open before you can perform this technique. Here it's done with a parry. Parry your opponent's blade down and then up, leaving them open for the slash and the force push. Make sure you keep a good safety distance during the slash when you do this at full speed. And don't force push your friend too hard. In this form, you're using techniques from other forms to throw off your opponent and surprise them. With the looser blade work of this form, it's heavily dependent on how creative you can be with it. So let's break down a way you could attack 9 count in the Niman style. Let's start with an Ataru style with a jumping 1-2. For 3, 4, 5, and 6, we're going to switch to Form 5, big, powerful, force-enhanced hits. And then in 7, we're going to transfer back to Ataru for a jumping 8, and then switch back to Shien for a powerful force-enhanced stab. Let's go at half speed for the flow. So again, that's 1 and 2, Ataru style. 3, 4, 5, and 6, Shien, powerful force-enhanced strikes. Switch back to Ataru for the 7-8, and then back to Form 5 for the stab. Now let's show you a way to defend 9 count in the Niman style. You're going to want to start this one in the low guard stance. For 1 and 2, we're going to start with some tight, efficient blade work from Surisu. Invert blocks. Minimal movement here, blocking the blades. Then we're going to switch to Ataru, jump dodge the 3, switch back to Surisu for the 4 and the 5 and the 6. Tight energy saving movements. Again, we're going to stay in Surisu, but we're going to parry this 7. Hanging parry the 8, and then come in with a powerful enhanced Form 5 counter strike to surprise your opponent. Let's go at half speed so you can get a flow of it. Again, starting with Surisu for 1 and 2. Ataru, jump the 3, go back to Surisu for 4, 5, 6, and you're going to parry this 7. Hanging parry the 8, now surprise your opponent with a powerful Form 5 counter strike. Now here's a little Niman combo for you. We're going to start with a powerful Ataru jumping 8. Then we're going to switch to some form 5 for the 1, 6, 1. Powerful force strikes. You're left open, you're going to switch back to Sarisu. 4, 1, 2. Efficient energy saving blocks. 3, 2, and then the 1. All Sarisu. Now when they attack the 8, get ready to parry this down and then up, leaving them open for a pushing slash technique. Again, make sure to have that safety space. Let's go at half speed for the flow. Start with the jumping 8, switch to form 5 for 1, 6, 1. You're open, back to Sarisu for the 4, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Now get ready for the 8. Parry it down and around, up, leaving them open for the pushing slash technique. Now get ready for your partner's jumping 8 Ataru, and then their form 5, 1, 6, 1, these grazing hits. Now you find your opening to attack 4, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, and then attack a big powerful form 5, 8. You're going to get your saber parried around and left open for the pushing slash. Now brace yourself for your fight partner's jumping 8, then the grazing 1, 6, 1. Now attack a 4, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 8. You're going to get parried around, left open for the push and slash. Found this tutorial useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. And I don't know guys, is it possible? Can we get 7,000 likes on this for a Form 7 tutorial? Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. May the Force be with you.